these are our finished pieces that I have. They came out beautifully. They're so shiny with that resin on them. They are so pretty. And we have this piece, and I did do the back of them. And we have this piece, and I put a hole in this one because I do have a bell that I wanted to try out on one of these, and I made glue bells to the back of these. Let me see if I can get you closer so you can see the beauty of my molded Natasha beads. Oh my god, they're just beautiful to me. And then we have the square one that I made. This is the one where I said it had the chicken on the top, and then there's another owl right there with his hands on his hip. And we have our beautiful hearts that I just made just for fun, but they are beautiful too with that beautiful shine on them from that resin. So that's what we have. And we have this that has a hole, and we're gonna put this on first, and then we're going to put this on and cap it with a bead cap, just so, say, versus this just being out there, you know, all beads aren't perfect, so you get some that are, you know, may have some scraggly bits, but that's what bead caps and things are for. Maybe to cover, well, to add beauty and to cover up blemishes. See, now you don't even know or see that if you were to have this piece of jewelry. And we are going to chop that off about there. Hope that ain't too much. If it is, I have to get another one. I'm still not good at measurements when it comes to my loops and things like that. So, come on. Where are you going? We're gonna get this and turn it in. I think I started too far at the top. Okay. Hold down. Hold down. Here we go. Got our loop there. And we made us a connector is what this is. I think I want it to go this way. So the pendant is going to hang from this. And then we have another loop because we can loop through our design. Some beading wire. And I think this is all I want to do. And I'm going to put chain off the rest of it. And I think I wanted this to be like a dangle off the back. So, and these are used beads. I'm keeping this for myself. I won't be giving this to anybody because I'm still trying to learn how to design jewelry. I might add some more beads if I feel so inclined, but right now I'm just seeing what's here on this board as being my design. So we'll see what happens. I'll be right back with the necklace.